Hi, I'm Frank. Welcome to my channel, and today we will make sauteed pork belly with AA Choy Sum. What does Choy Sum mean is Choy mean veggie and Sum mean the stem. So the veggie name is AA veggie. So in Chinese we call it AA Choy, and Sum means stem, the AA veggie stem. So let's take a look at our ingredient of today. Okay, here are the ingredient that we have. Of course, pork belly, and I already pre-marinated for 2 hours. I will put the exact ingredient and amount that I used to marinate the pork down on the description. If you're interested, you can take a look. Garlic, and then a couple pieces of ginger. Last but not least, this is the stem of the AA Choy. It's AA Choy Sum that we call. Take a look. And then this is how it looked like on the market when you see it. So basically how we take care of this is we have to peel the skin. You can use your knife like this on the side. Get into it. And then just peel it like this. You can see it. Then you can just look at this. You can just peel it off. You can see there's a separation between the skin and the stem itself. So you can just basically get a knife into there and then peel it off like this. Just keep peeling. The texture of this stem is not too firm, but it's not crispy. A little bit soft and sweet, a little bit sweetness on it. So why we were sauteing with pork belly, because this is more like a light taste, a little bit sweetness on it, not too firm but not too soft. So it's best to pair with something fatty. So that's why we were doing saute with pork belly. If you can see the white stuff here, white stuff in here, you could just take it off a little bit more. And then cut the two ends a little bit here. And I already pre-made this one. Let's clean this up and then we can start cutting. Okay, as we take care of the skin already, and now we are cutting into slices. Normally what I like to do is just like on 45-degree angle here. So you cut them. Not too thin or not too thick. This is like the thick bacon, like those thick bacon that you buy on the market. As you can see, there's some brown spot here. That's the stem inside because it's hollow. So that's why some of them you don't see that, and some you see that, but that's fine. You don't have to worry about it. Just what we're gonna do is after we cut it, I already have some water boiling, and then we're gonna put it on the boiled water for a quick 10 to 20 seconds or so. So let it cook a little bit, but not fully cook. And then when we saute them, we just basically saute the meat first, and then when the meat is 90% ready, then we could just throw this in and put whatever sauce we need to put in, and then that's all. We definitely don't want to overcook this, because when it overcook it, it's very soft. So we want to still have a little bit texture. That's why we will put it in boil water for 10 seconds, and then when the meat is almost done, then we can just put it in together and mix it up, and we're good to go. Okay, here we have it, and then now it's ready to cook. Okay, we have some water that really ready to boil. Some boiled water. Just dump it in for 10 seconds. Okay, we're heating up the pan. Let it heat up for about a minute. Put some oil down. Remember, we have some pork belly, so we don't need a lot of oil. When we stir fry the pork belly, it creates a lot of oil. Okay, when the oil is hot, we're gonna put the garlic and ginger in. Roll it in. And then salt, 2 grams. Soy sauce. A little bit of sugar, and then chili pepper. Just a tiny bit. There we go, we have it. Okay, here we have it for today's dish. Sauté pork belly with AA Choy Sum. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer you. If you like my video, please subscribe and for more future video. And I'll see you next time.